Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube page. Today I'll be teaching you guys about how to create a Starlight account, as well as how to download a Starlight app, how to log in, how to recharge, and how to bind your withdrawal details on the Starlight app. First of all, Starlight came into Ghana 22nd of February 2022, and then they are up to a month old now, but they are paying. Yes, so I want to teach you how to register a Starlight account. Good. So now let's move straight to our video. First of all, you should have a referral link, a link you'd use to register the Starlight app. Now this is how the referral link looks like. If you want a referral link to join Starlight, kindly look on the description of the video below for a referral link to sign up to Starlight. So this is how the referral link looks like on the Starlight app. The referral link, it looks like this. Yes, so this is a referral link I want to use to create an account on Starlight. So let me quickly copy that. Okay, I've copied it now, so let me go to my browser and paste it there. You can click directly to get it, but I don't want to use Chrome, that's why I've copied it. So I paste it there now and I search. Okay, so it's loading now. So we just have to patiently wait. Good. So it's open now, and we can see that below we've been given some options. A form has come for us to fill. We have to input our phone number. Then this code here, we have to type it in here. This is the referral link. Here you have to put your login password, confirm the password, and we click on register. So we just quickly fill this. So the number I want to use, it's not any difficult thing at all. Make sure that the number you're using should be a number that you can access when you are sent the code. So we are inputting the code here now. Now we have to create a password. Then we confirm the password by putting the password again. So now we are done, so we click on register. It's loading. Okay, I saved it. So we are done with the creation of our account now. So what we have to do now is just to log in. So we just click on login here to be able to log into our account, because we are done registering. And then we click on login. And wow, here we are. Our Starlight account has been successfully created. So this is just a message here that they've given to you. You can read it, but I'm not reading it. I've closed it. So this is my Starlight dashboard now. So now we have some options here that I need you to take note of. We have the home here, which is active. You see it's showing green there. It means that is what we are seeing now. So when I click on the next, which is tax hall, you can see that that place has changed and it's giving me a different thing. So this is tax hall. Then also we'll move on to VIP. Tax hall is where we go to perform our tax. So we'll move to VIP. These are the VIP plans we have there, of which you can join any of them to get more tax and then be rewarded. So we have VIP 1 to VIP 6, but VIP 6 is not yet open, so we have up to VIP 5. So when you recharge, you'll be able to join any of our VIPs. Then we have record as well. That's where all your tax are being performed. Where you perform your tax, that's where they come, and then you see them. Then when you click on me, that is your page, your personal page. Now one good thing about Starlight is that once you create an account to Starlight, you'll be given 3 Ghana cedis welcome bonus. You can see it here now, 3 Ghana cedis welcome bonus. And you can see that my account here is saying ordinary member. meaning I've not recharged to upgrade to any of the VIP. So I'm an ordinary member now, but I've been given 3 Ghana cedis free to enjoy. Okay, so our Starlight app has been created successfully, and then next will be on how to perform tax. But before that, now that our account has been created successfully, let's quickly go to tax hall and then perform tax there. So we click on this ordinary member do tax. So as an ordinary member, you'll be given 3 tax to perform every day for 7 days, after which you wouldn't be given any tax again, and you'll be able to withdraw 10 Ghana cedis once, after which you wouldn't be able to perform any tax until you upgrade to one of our VIPs. So take note of that. So when we click on do tax now, we'll get some free tax here to perform to help us increase our earnings. So these are Facebook tax now. What do? We just click on receive tax. We click on receive tax 3 times because we are supposed to perform only 3 tax. We can't perform more than 3 tax as an ordinary member. So I click on receive tax here. You can see it has told me success. I click on it again the second time, success. I click on it again the third time, success. When I click on it the 4th time, it wouldn't go through. You see, your tax count is 0 today, meaning I can only perform 3 tax. Now when I'm done clicking on the tax, the next thing I'm to do now is to go to records, and this is records here. So I click on that, and then it takes me to where I can go and perform the tax. Now you see that the tax are here, 3 tax all here. Now how do we perform the tax now? It's very easy. You have to click on this open link. Click on this open link. Now when you click on open link, it takes you to Facebook. It takes you to Facebook for you to perform the tax. Now take note here. Starlight is telling you that you should Starlight is telling you to follow and like the videos. Follow and like the video. That is just the only task you have to do there. Follow, like the video, screenshot it, and then come and paste it here, then submit. Very simple. Easy task for you to perform within 5 minutes, and you'll be rewarded for that. So let's click on open link now. So when we click on open link, it's going to take us to Facebook. It's going to take us to Facebook. So it's loading. So we just have to follow. So we click on follow. What Starlight has access to this follow. So we click on follow and then we like. Then we quickly screenshot. We screenshot. Then we minimize this and then go back to Starlight. Now when we come back to Starlight, what do? We want to paste the screenshot now. We come over here where you can see the camera there and click on that. When you click on it now, it takes you to your phone gallery. It takes you to your phone gallery for you to upload what we screenshotted. You can see it here now. So I tap on it and it has told me uploaded successfully. So the next thing for me to do now is for me to do what? To click on submit. So when I click on submit, I'm good to go. Success. So we do same for all 3 tasks. And when you are done, just click on me. When you click on me, you would realize that your account will be top up. Your account will be top up. When you refresh your page, you see that the 1 task you've performed is going to be topped up in your account. So that is how to perform tax in Starlight. So now let's quickly move on to how to recharge. How to recharge. Remember I told you that you'll only be able to perform tax for 1 week as an ordinary member. But how do you recharge now to join any of our VIPs? Let's say you want to recharge to join our VIP 1 package. What do? So now you go to me and then you click on this button, this arrow here. You click on it. So when you click on that arrow, this is what pops up. Then we see recharge. We select recharge. So when we select recharge now, this page comes up and then asks you how much you want to recharge. So let's say you want to recharge for VIP1. VIP1 is 100 Ghana cedis. So 100 Ghana cedis is already there. Any amount it is, you type it there. Then you select MTN, Momo, or Vodafone Pay. So when you select MTN, Momo, or Vodafone Pay 1, you click on it. And then this info comes up. So you select, are you using Vodafone? Do you want to pay through Vodafone or Momo? Let's say I want to pay through Momo. I click on Momo. So now once I click on OK, mind you that Starlight is giving you time. You have just 5 minutes to be able to make this payment, or else this transaction cancels and you have to make another transaction again. So you have to be fast about it, but be very, very careful. Now these are the details there now. But what do you have to do? You have to be very careful here when it comes to the payment part. So now these are what you need. So you can see that the recipient name is Yan Yan. The account number, the Momo number you have to make payment to is this. The reference is this. Now take note, the reference is very, very important. I always advise my subordinates that they use a pen to write down only the account number, but copy only the reference number. So you have to copy only the reference number. Yes, copy only the reference number in order to make mistakes. The reference number is what will prove that you are the one or your account has made that payment. So you copy only the reference number and then write down the account number. Then you quickly go to your dashboard, to your dialer, and then make your payments. Then paste your reference here as the mobile money reference. Please don't use the normal ones you've been using like one, or use your name. No, use the reference that has been given to you here. That reference there is an identity. Use this as your reference when making payments. And when you make payments, you'd see that you have to quickly make payments so that your time doesn't elapse. So once you finish making payments, you don't worry, just relax, and then you go back. To your dashboard, your Starlight page, and then you click on me. You go back and click on me, and then you realize that your Starlight account has been credited with the amount you have paid for the selected VIP one. So you see that here will become 100 Ghana cedis. I'm not making any deposit now, that's why I haven't done that. So you see that here will be changed to 100 Ghana cedis. And then from that, you now move to the next step, which is how to upgrade. So once here is credited 100 Ghana cedis, you move to click on VIP and then select the particular VIP you want to join. So let's say you want to join VIP 1. So you just click on join now. You click on join now. Once you click on join now, they will ask you that, do you want to cost 100 Ghana cedis to join? You select yes. And when you select yes, you realize that your account has been credited. You have been moved to VIP 1. And then here we've changed from ordinary member to VIP 1. So guys, that is all about Starlight. Very easy. If you have any questions, you can ask your questions in the comment below, or you can message me on WhatsApp. And my referral link is down there, the description below. You can click on it to register on the Starlight app. And then Starlight is paying, so you guys should join. And also, one more thing before, lest I forget, when you finish registering, I always advise that you click on this join group. That takes you to our Telegram page for you to be able to join our Telegram page. So make sure you join our Telegram page to know what is happening in Starlight. And also, you have to include your personal information. That is your payment info and other things. You can find it here. So let's click on that to quickly fill that form. So this is what comes up. So mobile number is selected, and please put the mobile number you always want to receive payment on. The Momo number or the Vodafone Cash number you always want to receive payment on. Tigo Cash is not accepted, so I'm going to put my Momo number there. So this is the number. Then I type in this code again. And then I'll be sent a verification code. So I click on send. So let's make sure that this number is there. Sorry. So make sure that that number is there. So you use that number, click on send, it comes, then you select it there. So you found your normal number. Then also you come over to wallet password, and then you create a password for yourself. That wallet password will always be asked whenever you want to make withdrawal. So make sure that you use that. You create one for yourself, a password for withdrawing your funds. And I think that's all on Starlight. Then also don't forget to click on bind bank withdrawal details or bank withdrawal information. Yes, when they say bank, don't get it confused. It's not your bank account, please. It's just the same as your mobile number. So yeah, you just have to type your real name there, and then your telephone number. Then select whether it is Momo or Vodafone, and then you save it. So that is that on Starlight. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to ask any questions you have, and then come and join us. Enjoy Starlight. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.